Hello students, welcome to Pankaj's Echelon tutorials, and in this today's video we are going to deal with exercise 3 of Algebra 2 from David Reyner book. And this particular exercise is dealing with the multiplication and division of directed numbers. Okay, so before we start with this exercise 3, I want to tell you how it works. Okay, so what are the rules for multiplication and division of directed numbers? Okay, the simple rules. Before that, let me write this is Algebra 2. Chapter's name is Algebra 2 from David Reyner book, the 4th edition, and this is exercise 3. Okay. Now this is dealing with the multiplication and division of the directed numbers. So you have to just remember these things: plus multiplied by a plus and minus multiplied by a minus. Okay, this is going to always give you answer as plus. Okay, same way, plus multiplied by a minus or a minus multiplied by a plus is always going to give you an answer with negative. Okay, so if you have any two directed numbers with the same sign, either plus or minus, okay, then the answer will always be plus. And if you have two directed numbers with the opposite sign, okay, then the product of those two numbers will always be negative. Okay, so this is the rule for the sign. Then after deciding the sign of the product, all you have to do is you have to take the number ignoring the sign and just multiply them out. Okay, for example, plus 15 times plus 15 will be equal to how much? It will be 15 into 15 is 225. Okay, so it will be plus 225 because plus into plus is plus. Now if I do plus 15 into minus 15, okay, now plus into minus is minus, so answer will be negative, and 15 into 15 is 220. Is that clear? Suppose I take minus 15 into minus 15. Now both the numbers have the same sign, minus. As I told you, minus minus ka product is always positive, so answer will be plus, and numbers you have to multiply, so it will be 220. Now these are the rules for multiplication, and same rule applies for division also. Okay, so rules for division is again plus divided by a plus and minus divided by a minus will always give you a result which is plus. And if it is a plus and divided by a minus or a minus divided by a plus, the answer will always be minus. Okay, same rule. Okay, so with this as the background, okay, we can start with exercise 3 now. Okay, so let us get started with exercise 3. Yeah. Oh, okay. Let us get started with exercise 3. Okay. So exercise 3 make question number 1. Okay. So now let us get started with exercise 3 question number 1. Can you see this first question? I'll write here question number 1. It says that okay. 1 second. Right. Okay. Now it says that you have a directed number plus 2 which is multiplied by another directed number minus 4. Okay, so what this is the product of two directed numbers. Okay, so what you have to do, plus into minus is what? Plus into minus is minus, and 4 into 2 is what? 4 into 2 is 8, so answer will be minus 8. Simple as that. Okay, second one, plus 7 multiplied by a plus 4, right? Now here the two directed numbers have the sign plus and plus, so plus into plus is plus, and 4 into 7 is 28. The answer is plus 28. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, third one, it's minus 4 times minus 2, isn't it? Now minus into minus is plus. 4 into 3 is 12. So plus 12 is the answer. So simple. So fourth one, minus 6 times minus 4. Okay. Now these are two directed numbers with sign minus and minus. So minus into minus is always plus, and 6 into 4 is 24. So answer will be plus 24. Fifth one, minus 6 times minus 3. Is it minus 3? Yeah, minus 3. Okay. So it's not, yeah, it's 3, minus 3. Okay. So the answer will be, again, you have to multiply the sign. So minus into minus is plus, and then the numbers, 6 3s are 8. Okay. Sixth, it's a plus 5 times a minus 7. Okay. Again, plus into minus is minus, 7 5s are 35. So answer is minus 35. Okay. Seventh, minus 7 times a minus 7. So minus into minus is plus, 7 into 7 is 49. So answer is plus 49. Eighth, minus 4. Is it minus 4? No, it's minus 1, I suppose, times plus 3. Okay. So this will be plus into minus is minus, and 3 into 1 is 3. So eighth answer is minus 3. But I think this is eighth answer in the book behind is given as minus 12. So this has to be 4, I think. Okay. So can you see this? This number? This is minus 4. Okay. So let me take minus 4. So now it will be minus 12. Okay. Because 4 into 3 is 12. Got it? Minus 12. Okay. Then ninth answer, let us see. What is ninth? It is plus 0.5 multiplied by minus 4. Okay. So first you have to multiply the signs. Plus and minus, when you multiply, you will get a minus. And 4 into 0.5. 4 into 0.5 will be how much? It should be 4 5s are 20. So 2. Okay. 2.0. So this is the answer for the ninth one. Right? So till here we have completed 9 questions. Now I'll have to make some space for me to work. And okay. I think my mouse is having some issues. Okay. So somehow I got some space to work with. And let us move on to the 10th one. 10th one is minus 1.5 times a minus 6. Okay. Now here you have two directed numbers with the same sign, minus. So minus into minus is plus. So answer will be positive. And this is a mixed fraction. So you have to convert it into a improper fraction. So this will work this way. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 divided by this 2. So it will be 3 by 2. 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. When you convert it into an improper fraction, it becomes 3 by 2. With a, okay, this negative is positive. So you have to take only numbers now. So it will be 3 by 2. Answer will be positive. Now numbers you will have to multiply this with 3 by 2 times 6. Okay. So the answer will be plus sign is always there. This 2 and this will be cutting to and make it 3. So 3 3s are 9. So answer will be plus 9. Okay. So question number 10 is done with. Question number 11. 11 is here. It says that minus 8 is division. Okay. This time it is division plus 2, right? Okay. So here, now this minus divided by plus. As I told you, the rule for the multiplication and division is same. If you multiply two opposite signs, you know, the answer will be always negative. Same way, if you divide two opposite signs, the answer will be always negative. So minus 8 and plus, if you minus upon plus will be minus. And 8 upon 2 will be 4. So the answer has to be minus 4 for the 11th one. Okay. So question number 3, 11th ka answer is minus 4 and that's correct. 12th one. 12th says that you have a plus 12 and you have a division sign and then you have a plus 3, right? Okay. Now plus divided by a plus is always a plus and 12 divided by 3 is always 4. So plus 4 is the answer. Okay. For the 12th one. Now 13th. 13th is this one. It is plus 36 divided by a minus 9. Okay. Now plus divided by minus will always be minus and 36 divided by 9 will be 4. So answer will be minus 4. Is that okay? 14th. 14th is minus 10. Is it 10 or 40? Okay, let me take 10 first. Divided by a minus 5. Okay. Again, this is two directed numbers. Okay. With same sign minus and minus. So minus divided by minus will always be plus. And 10 divided by 5 will always be 2. So plus 2 has to be the answer for the 14. Okay. So, but the 14th answer in the book is given 8. So I think this particular number, which I have assumed to be 10, is not 10, but it is 40. Okay. Okay. So it is minus 40. See this printouts, I mean, whatever on the screen, you know, I take it from this thing, okay, copy paste it from the book. So many a times what, and the book that I am having is a old one, okay, it's not very tender, okay, so it's old book. So all this printing and all that, you know, I find sometimes a bit difficult. So instead of 40, I read it as 10 and all that stuff keeps on happening. But then it's okay. Whatever correction I want to do, I do it right now only. So you won't have any problems. Okay. So 14th ka answer now will be 40 upon 5 is 8. So it will be plus 8. Okay. Right. 40 divided by 5 will be 8. Minus upon minus is plus. Okay. And now coming to 15th, question number 15th, I will work out here. Okay. 15th says that minus 70 divided by a minus 1. Now this is minus divided by minus will always give you plus and 70 divided by 1 will always give you 70. So the answer is plus 70 for the 15th one. And that particular question does not have any issue. Okay, 15th is okay, the 15th year, the answer given is plus 30. Yeah, so that is okay. Let us move on to 16th. Where is 16? Here we are. 16. It is minus 56 divided by a plus 8. Okay. So here what you will do, minus divided by plus will always be minus because they are opposite sign. And 56 divided by 8 will be 7. Okay. So the answer for the 16th one will be minus 7. 17th. This is 17. It says that minus half divided by a minus 2. Okay. Now this if you want to work out, minus into minus sign, if you divide, it will be always plus. Now 1 by 2 divided by 2. Now this you have to do this way. Okay. 1 by 2 divided by 2. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 multiplied by the reciprocal of this. Okay, so reciprocal will be 1 by 2. Now you know how to multiply these two fractions. Okay, so it will be numerator you will have to multiply. 1 into 1 will be 1 and denominator 2 into 2 will be 4. So the answer will be 1 by 4. Okay, so plus 1 by 4 is the answer for this 17. Is that clear? So answer is plus 1 by 4. Is that clear? Or Yeah, let me check how the answer is given in the book. It is 17th, right? 17th answer is given as 1 by 4. Yeah, that's correct. Now, let us do a couple of questions more. 18th. Question number 18 says that, okay, where is it? Yeah, 18th is over here. Okay, it's minus 3 divided by a plus 5, isn't it? So this is minus divided by plus means minus, and 3 upon 5 you just write in the fraction form 3 upon 5. Okay, no need of going into decimal. So answer will be minus 3 by 5, 3 upon 5, 18th. Okay, which is perfect. Okay, now 19th. 19th is plus 0.1 divided by a minus 10, I suppose, right? Minus 10. Okay, so this answer will be plus divided by minus will be a minus, and 0.1 divided by 10. Now how you have to work out this? 0.1 divided by 10. So 0.1 can be written as 1 upon 10. This division sign can be converted to multiplication sign, and this I will invert it, 1 by 10. So this works out to 1 upon 100. So my answer will be minus 1 upon 100. Okay. For the 19th, the answer will be minus 1 upon 100. Let me check it. And yeah, this minus 1 upon 100 can be further it can be further written in decimal form as 0.01 with a minus, because behind the book the answer is given as minus 0.01, which is perfectly correct. The last one of today's video, 20th one, and 20th one is where it's okay, it's over here. So it's can you see, it's over here. Okay. So 20th says that minus 0.02 divided by a minus 10, right? Minus 0.02 divided by a minus 10. Okay, so as usual, minus upon minus plus, and numbers you have to divide now. So numbers, how you are going to divide? 0.02 divided by 10. Okay, so this 0.02 I'll write it in the fraction form as 2 upon 100. This division I'll convert it into multiplication, and this 10 I'll write as reciprocal. Okay,